大家好 Hello everyone, welcome to JC's Chinese class. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to introduce names in Chinese. You will be able to introduce your name to others and also ask about others' names. Let's begin. Firstly, let's review. Do you remember these two characters? 你 means you. 我 means I or me. We will use them for today's lesson as well. Now, let's introduce today's first new word. Be. It is 是. 是. 是 can mean am, is, are, and it depends on the subject in front of it. In Chinese, only one word, 是. So, if we put 我 in front of 是, then 我是 means I am. If we put 你 in front of 是, then 你是 means you are. Now, let's look at the first sentence pattern. 我是 It means I am. This is the easiest way to introduce yourself. 我是李雪洁 It means I am 李雪洁. 李雪洁 is my name. So I can use this sentence pattern to tell others my name. And if it is an English name, you can just put it this way. 我是杰西莉 I am Jessie Lee. It's your turn now. Please introduce yourself by this sentence pattern. Good job, thank you. Let's move on. The second sentence pattern is 你是 which means you are. And do you still remember this one? 吗? Ma is a question particle that we have learned. If it is put after a sentence, it can change a statement into a question. So, if we say 你是吗? It means, are you? 你是 Jessie 吗? Are you Jessie? And then we can answer it by 我是 Jessie. I am Jessie. 我不是 Jessie. I am not Jessie. We also learned 不 before. 我不好. Remember? Let's read again. 你是 Jessie 吗? 我是 Jessie. 我不是 Jessie. Now, let's review for part 1. 我是 I am. 你是 you are. 你是吗? Are you? Now, let's move to the second part. We also need to learn one important word first. To call or to be called. 叫 叫. And if we put 我 in front of 叫, it can mean I am called. And actually, it is a frequently used way for Chinese people to introduce their names. It is equals to my name is. I'm called Jessie. My name is Jessie. Okay, if we put 你 in front of 叫, then 你叫 means you are called. Let's look at the sentences one by one now. 我叫 I am called. My name is. 我叫李雪洁。I'm called 李雪洁。My name is 李雪洁。我叫杰西莉。My name is Jessie Lee. So, this is the second way that we have learned to introduce your name. And what we need to pay attention to is that 叫我叫 can be only used to introduce your name. But the first sentence pattern that we have learned, 我是, it can be used to introduce many things. I'm a student. 我是学生. It also works. So, please remember 2 words, 2 sentence patterns, and 2 ways to introduce your names. 我叫 only for introducing names. 你叫 it means you are called. Your name is. Also, if we add 吗你叫吗 it turns into Are you called? 你叫 Jessie 吗 Are you called Jessie? And we can answer 我叫 Jessie. Yes, my name is Jessie. I'm called Jessie. 我不叫 Jessie. I'm not called Jessie. My name is not Jessie. You can use 你叫吗 and 你是吗 to ask about others' names if you are not sure about others' names. Let's take a review on the second part. 我叫 I'm called. 你叫 You are called. 你叫吗 Are you called? Now, let's move to the last part. How to ask, what's your name? We need to learn 2 more new words for this sentence. What? 什么 Let's read together. 什么 and name 名字 Let's read. 名字 What name? 什么名字 So, if we want to say, what's your name? In Chinese, we can ask, 你叫什么名字 You are called what name? 你叫什么名字 Let's try to read it together. 你叫什么名字 Good job. And we can answer this question by the sentence that we have learned. 我叫 Now, could you please answer my question? 你好，你叫什么名字 Good job. Thank you. Now, let's look at this dialogue. So, what should we say for greeting others? And the other one will reply 你好. Yes, we also say 你好. And what should we say or ask? So the other one will reply that 我叫 Mike. Yes, we can ask 你叫什么名字 Let's read the whole dialogue. 你好，你好，你叫什么名字？我叫 Mike. At last, let's take a review for this whole lesson. Here are the sentences that we have learned. Can you recall all of them? I am, 我是 I am called, 我叫 You are, 你是 You are called, 你叫 Are you? 你是吗？ Are you called? 你叫吗？ What's your name? 你叫什么名字？ Please try to remember them and use them to make dialogues. Thank you for listening and watching. 再见。